Hi, beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Vents Tarot, and this is how he or she feels about you currently, their love messages. I will be using your most requested, my own love messages from your person. And friends, do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot. Do subscribe our channel if you haven't already subscribed. Click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. Also, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not, so take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, this is a timeless reading. Whenever you come across this reading, it is going to help you out in some way or the other. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. I post a lot there, a lot of different readings, everyday messages. A lot is happening there too. And friends, if you want to buy a personal reading like how your person feels or a channel letter reading, you can buy it from www.magicventstarot.com. You can also check the channel love letter I have done recently. You can check that. I will be posting a new one, so yeah, stay tuned, subscribe, click the bell icon. All right, let's take a deep breath, relax, and take a deep breath. And choose option 1, this beautiful orange flower. Option number 2, this lavender flower. Option number 3, this beautiful red flower. Take a deep breath, relax, think of your person and choose option 1, option 2, option 3. Like always, I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section below so you can directly skip to the number that you have chosen. If not, you can also choose more than one option, or you can watch the entire video, friends, no problem in doing that. And let's see, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful orange flower, how your person is feeling, how he or she is feeling about you. This is or what's currently happening with them. This is your romance angels messages. We're gonna look at them in the end. Let's see your cards. The Knight of Swords, okay. The Five of Pentacles, interesting. The Eight of Wands. The Knight of Cups, interesting. And the World, wow. I feel you could be dealing with Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Your person could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. Or your person could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, friends. Or you, our viewers, you could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or Aquarius, Libra, Gemini. I feel your person is currently feeling quite a distance from you. You know, this person feels like either you both are not in contact, or this person is not sharing much at all. There's, it feels like a distance between you and this person, a lot of distance. And I feel this person doesn't share much. They are trying right now, they are trying to cover their emotions, cover how they feel, hide their feelings. This person is very emotional. I don't think so you know about this person, that they are very emotional, but they hide their feelings. They don't show their feelings. They don't show they are weak or vulnerable, or like, you know, how deep their love is. They are not showing it. I feel this person is currently struggling in life. They are missing you. They are also feeling left out. I think this person has hurted you. And I feel you have also said something that has hurted this person. So you both have hurted each other. I think this person is really feeling left out and they are missing you. See that these two people are hugging each other. So I feel this person is really missing you. They want to be with you, but they feel like you will not accept them back. This person is actually, I think, you both are right now. This person could be in a very logical frame of mind, or when they talk with you, they are very logical, they are very straightforward, or they don't show their emotions too much. Or you are, I feel our viewers are also very logical, they are very loyal. You guys are viewers, you are very loyal. So this person, this person, I think this person, you expect this person to be loyal to you, to say very honestly how they feel. But that's not what they are doing. They are hiding their feelings, but they want to change it. Right now, I feel they want to message you, they want to communicate with you. Maybe they have already messaged you, or they will be messaging you very, very soon. I feel this person is also trying to change something in their life. Maybe, like, let go of a past relationship or past issues or past worries. This person wants to come towards you, they want to talk to you. This person could also be in a different country or a different city, so they want to, you know cover the distance and talk to you or meet with you. Let us see how is this person feeling. There is a gap between you. I don't know what it is. Maybe it is religion stopping you, or family, or educate, like careers. You both are working in different cities. There is distance. Also, I feel this person doesn't share a lot, so that is also creating a problem. But they want to change all this. They want to come and hug you. Let's see how is this person feeling? How is pile number one's person feeling? I feel there could be an age gap between both of you, or a maturity gap, like, or yeah, definitely a maturity gap. See, guilt. This person feels guilty. This person actually feeling guilty, like they could have chosen you, but they didn't choose you. They can be loyal to you, or they can share their feelings, but they are hiding it. Maybe they are, if you are married to this person, or if you were married to this person ever, you know it is like, they know they did something wrong, and they want to confess it, but they don't know how to. They feel guilty. If this person left you, ghosted you, they feel guilty, they want to be with you. They know what they did. Oh my god. Thank god it didn't flew down. Vanity. See, this person likes to show off. This person likes money. They like the richness. This person likes to show off things. This person also keeps their feelings hidden. Their real feelings hidden. Also, I feel they feel like your person feels you are very successful, so they kind of feel inferiority complex with you. Or this person wants to be very rich, very, very comfortable before they come back towards you. Or, I also feel that this person was behaving a little, in egoistic way. This person was behaving egoistically in the past, and they regret it. I think this person might have chosen, they might have showed off things to you, like, see, I have a big car, I have this, I have that, I have such a body, everybody wants me. This person may have done that to you, but in that they kind of forgot what they had valuable is you. They did something, friends. They did something. I think this person may have chosen career, money, maybe another person, or maybe their ego. Forgiveness. Definitely, this person wants forgiveness from you. See, maybe there is an issue regarding a child. Maybe this person was acting like a child, or you both are married, or this person wants to marry you and have a child with you. I don't know why I keep getting like marriage, children. Maybe this person is married and they regret it, or you have moved on and planning to get married and they want your forgiveness. Let's see what else is happening with your person. Let's see, how is this person feeling about our viewers? Wow, why? See, this person doesn't know. They left you, they hurted you, they don't know why. They don't know why they did this. They feel a very strong connection with you. And they don't know why they did this all to you, why they left you, or why they didn't choose you. They don't know. See, TikTok, I think there is an issue regarding getting married. I think you want to marry this person, or maybe if you are a female, like, biological clock issues are there, like you want to marry now because it's time, or they feel like they had more time. They felt like they had more time to work on this connection, but before that, things just went bad. So timing is an issue. They feel like timing was not right. Maybe 30, 31, 25, 28, 9, 11 are important for you. See, round and round. Something is going on. This person is struggling to get out of a problem, because here also there is a world card. This person should needs to end something. Maybe a problem, maybe a pattern, maybe a behavior, maybe their ego, or maybe if they are in a different country, they need to meet you, get married to you. There is something this person is stuck in. Number 25 might be important. 30, 31, 25. So this person needs to work on something and release it so they can come towards you. Let's see what else. See, coming together. So definitely this person wants to come together and form a family or be there for you. They also want to protect you, heal and nurture you. This person also wants to build a family, or at least a friendship. If you both can't marry, they at least want to have a friendship with you, a connection with you. Let us see what this person wants to say. Then we'll look at the romance angels messages. What this person would say if they were right now here, what this person would say. I think this person could also want to have a project or work. Maybe you both work together or study together, or you have a common hobby. So they want to work on it. They want to work with you and nurture this connection. Twin flames just jumped out. Oh my God. You both are twin flames. Oh my God. This person knows. I think they didn't know, or they are coming to realize that. Because why? This person is asking you, why do I feel this way? Why can't I forget you? Why? They know this is a special connection. Let's see. I'm seeing things clearly now. See? This person was confused in the past. Now they can see things clearly. Your beauty blinds me. I can't think clearly now. Oh my God. See, this person is gaining clarity. This person is also feeling very attracted towards your beauty. Whether you are a man or a woman. I am too tired to try now. I do feel this person is going through a tough time in their life. Or maybe like they are trying, see, because they are struggling in something, awakening to something. Let's see what else. I feel you don't love me anymore. Oh. This person feels like if they come towards you, you will reject them, or you don't love them anymore. I miss our deep conversations, all night talks. Oh, this person misses you like anything. They miss the conversations you had, all night talks, your twin flames. This person knows, or they are coming to that realization that what this connection means to them. Your power inspires me to be stronger. Oh, see, I told you, you inspire this person. They are very inspired, and especially your loyalty, your truth, your justice, like the way you are very honest and loyal. This person feels inspired. Expect a miracle soon. So yeah, something is going to happen in this connection. Can you trust me again? Interesting. Let's see. Let's see what is the romance angels messages for you, friends. Release your ex. The time has come to clear your energy and past life connection. I feel, there is something of the past, past hurt, past ache, or some. This person has a past issue, maybe a past girlfriend, boyfriend, or husband or wife, or some pattern they need to release. You both need to forget the past and move on. Why? Because it is a past life issue that's affecting you. You have, this is a very deep connection, very, very deep. So the issues that you had in the past were because of the past karma or lessons you needed to learn. You have known each other before. This is a past life connection, friends, and so definitely this connection will keep on growing. So release the past hurt and pain and expect a new start, because this person definitely wants to message you and be there for you. So that's it for now, friends. Please do subscribe Magic Vents Tarot, like and share our channel, friends. Thank you so much if you have already subscribed. And to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicventstarot.com, friends. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vents Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye for now. So friends, if you chose option number 2, this beautiful lavender flower, let's see how your person is feeling about you. We also have love messages here, my own channel, love messages. This will be a detailed reading. Let's see and look into detail what your person, he or she, is feeling or happening in their life. Love messages, we look at the end. Your cards are the Fool, interesting. The Ace of Rods, wow. Passion, passion. The Six of Cups, wow. Ten of Wands. And the Ace of Cups, wow. Friends, you have two very beautiful new starts, Ace of Wands and the Ace of Cups. This is so interesting, friends. This is beautiful. Look at this. Wow, this person really, really, your connection is onto something. Friends, you could be dealing with, I feel, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or you, our viewers, could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or they have a very strong fire energy, like their rising sign, their moon sign, their Mars sign is in Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I feel you had an ending with this person, like things are not going well even if you are in a relationship or in contact with this person, things are not going very well. For others, I feel there has been an ending in this situation. You feel very tired of this person, like nah, nothing is, things just don't move in this connection. It's stuck. I feel like our viewers have tried a lot to make this connection work, but somehow nothing ever shifts. I also feel, right now you may not be in contact, or even if you are in contact, it's like a little contact. It's not like a very like a very beautiful connection at the moment. I feel your person is currently feeling a little tired. They are feeling like they have a lot of responsibilities. Maybe this person is, I feel this person could be a health worker, or they could be a doctor, lawyer, physician, a teacher. Maybe if they are a student, they are working a lot. I feel they have a lot of responsibilities on them right now. I also feel your person may be trying to start a new life, like they want to come towards you, or they are trying to end a tough job situation or something. So they are working on a new start. They are hoping for a new start with you. They definitely have their eyes set on it. I also feel they are working on a career goal, like a new promotion, or they want to study further or something like that. I also feel if your connection has ended, or there is a pause there, you are not contact right now, this person wants to They feel hopeful of a new start. They feel very attracted towards you. They feel a lot of passion towards you. They also feel a lot of love for you. This Ace of Cups of love, overflowing love. This person is realizing you are their soulmate. This person realizes that you may have known each other since 6 years, 5 years, 9 years, 10 years, 3 years, 3 months, 2 months. But this is a deep connection. There is a lot of sexual chemistry and a lot of passion. This could also be a new connection for some of you, where you know this person is too busy to talk to you right now, but they do feel that, yeah, once they get some time, they want to tell you how much they feel attracted towards you, how much they love you, they see you as a soulmate, they want to tell you all these things. Let us see how this person is, what's going on with your person for pile number 2. How is this person feeling? How is this person feeling? Option number 2. Wow, balance. See, I told you this person has a lot of things on their plate right now. They also have like a lot of responsibilities. So they are feeling a little they are struggling right now to balance everything in life. Maybe their parents are saying one thing, their family is saying another, you are saying another. Also, I feel this person has a lot of work responsibilities, so they want to finish it or find a relief so they can come towards you and talk with you. How is this person feeling? Also, I feel like there is an issue regarding marriage. Maybe this is a legal issue, like this could relate to 10% of you. Maybe you were married to this person or some legal issue happened, like a divorce or something. So they want to fix that thing and be with you and like bring things into balance. If there has been an ending, they want to balance it, friends. They are struggling right now to balance this relationship or their life in general. How is their person feeling for pile number 2? How is their person feeling for pile number 2? Workaholic. I told you, friends, this person is having a lot of work on their mind. If this is a new connection and you are wondering why your person has not been in contact, even whatever your connection, if you are wondering why this person isn't messaging you, calling you, have they forgotten you, have they moved on? No. This person is a workaholic. They just can't forget their work. Maybe they are an artist, a traveler, a businessman, a doctor, a physician, a teacher, a banker. They are working overtime. They still feel very attracted towards you. They still feel a lot of love, this new start with you. Let's see one more. How their person is feeling. What's going on? How is their... Oh my God. See, my God, this fell down. Impassive, friends. This person is feeling a little stuck in balancing their life. They are stuck, friends. They are stuck right now in some tough situation. Work, maybe their work is very tough right now. Also, I feel this situation is stuck in something like there is some issue that you are struggling to move ahead from. Let us see what else is happening. How this person feels about our viewers. How this person feels about our viewers. Okay, observe number 12. So this person is definitely observing you. They are waiting and keeping a watch from you from the far. Definitely, even if they are busy, even if they have not been in contact, they are keeping an eye on you, observing you, trying to understand you. Number 12, 6, 16, 11 is important. Let's see how this person feels, how they feel about our viewers. What else? I think they know that you are someone very special. See, darkest fears, number 9, 9 of swords. I think this person is worried also secretly that are you in another relationship? I think that might be your question, that this person is busy with their work, they never call you, they never try to reach out to you. So are they moving on? No, I think it is they are worried about you moving on from them. See, this person is worried about losing you. They are trying to see your social media, they are trying to understand something in the past also that you said. Listen, number two. Wow. I think this person wants to say something, they want to share their feelings, their emotions, but I don't know why. Maybe they are telling you this thing telepathically through your dreams, through your messages, but I do not see them speaking it yet. We'll see from the cards, we'll see from the cards. They also want you to listen to them, listen to them. Maybe some song. There is a song by Radiohead, it's called Creep. I think that makes sense here. You should try and hear that song. I'm a creep, I don't deserve you. Something like that. I can't sing. I can't really sing, friends. You should see. Go and hear the lyrics. Google them. Radiohead. Radiohead. It's called Creep. You shine like an angel. It's something like that. You shine like an angel. Uh, Something like I forgot the lyrics. I don't deserve you, something similar. I'm a creep, you know. I think this person is worried. They want you to hear them out, although they are not saying anything right now. So, what this person feels about our viewers? Wow, success and growth. They have a lot of faith. Your person has a lot of faith in this connection. They know that things will get better, and they have immense faith on you. They feel like you are doing very well in life. They like your success, your happiness, and they feel like, yeah, this they have a lot of hope on this connection, friends. Trust me, they feel very hopeful about. They see you as this Six of Cups, soulmate. Ooh. Wow. So what they want to happen ahead? Peace. They want to bring peace in this connection. Number 23 is important. Maybe this person is 23 years old or it's their birthday. I also feel May and November are important. So yeah. I'm also getting that song, by Prince, Purple Rain. I never meant to hurt you. I never meant to cause you any sorrow. I only wanted to be your friend, I only wanted to be your friend. So something like that. So this person wants to bring you peace. They want to bring forgiveness. They want to be with you. They want to tell you a lot of things. They definitely wants, they feel like this connection brings peace in their life, because this person is very busy, so you bring a lot of peace in their life. What they want in the future to happen, what this person wants in the future to happen. See, time for a nap. I think this is a twin flame connection, definitely, absolutely, because there is a lot of telepathic communication you both of you are having. So this person will want to spend a weekend with you, or this person and you communicate in the dream time, through dreams, through sleep, through messages. I also feel like this person will, they want to spend some quality time together with you, take some rest from their workaholic schedule, and go to the happy, peaceful days with you. Because I think this person really has a lot of love. This Ace of Cups. They have a lot of love for you, a lot of attraction, and they want a new start with you. So, I think some of you, I don't know why I keep getting playboy, playboy. So maybe you have felt like this person is not very honest because they are not taking the time or not being around you. So obviously you have your doubts. But I think this person's intentions are noble. They do not mean to harm you. They are just busy, which is of course quite a big problem. It's not easy to say that you are just busy, right? Let's see what is the message from your person, what they want to tell you, because I don't think so. This person has said a lot to you. Pile number 2, what this person wants to say, what this person wants to say, what this person wants to say, what this person wants to say. Our connection is growing in 5D. See, absolutely, friends. This is a twin flame or a high vibrational connection. Let's see. Our connection is growing in the 5D. This is beautiful, friends. This is beautiful. Definitely, this person and you both have a very strong connection. Signs, messages, dreams. You still are connected. You still feel that attraction, this love energy. You know, you are this half, they are this half, and you are together. There is so much I have never said to you. This person has a lot of things to tell you. Trust me. And they want you to listen to them. All of it. I think it's like once they start talking, they will need like 2, 3 weekends to tell you how everything they feel about you. I remember everything, every detail, every date. Oh my god, this person has a sharp memory. Could be a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, they don't forget anything. My life has no meaning without you. My life has no meaning without you. I feel the connection is fading. I think this could be like, I think this could be your energy, or you, like you are doubting them, so they feel like maybe you have moved on, or maybe because they are a workaholic, they don't sometimes they find it hard to remember. I'll take a clarifier, don't worry about it. I'll clarify it. Soul contracts are working, so yeah, there is a divine timing, you know, there is a matter of timing in this connection. There is a contract that there's a contract, divine timing is at work. I'm not sure I can meet your expectations. Yeah, I think you want this person to give you more time or more affection or be there with you. But I feel this person is quite a workaholic. They want things on their terms. So it's kind of making things. Angels, can you clarify? I feel the connection fading. Okay, third party alert. So maybe this person feels like there are other friends or people that's affecting this connection right now. Maybe family or work is a third party right now. Like their focus is on work, so they feel like they feel this connection, but still their entire three-dimensional focus is on work. So you can't help it. We will meet soon. Stay ready, my love. Maybe one day our paths will cross again. So see, I think this person is trying to, they know this connection, but they are trying to fool themselves, like, yeah, deny it. They know this is a very special, a very precious connection. That's why you chose the lavender. Lavender is very high vibrational color. So this person knows that, but they are trying to deny it. And or maybe you are trying, or you both are trying to deny this connection. Let's see your romance angels messages. Keep an open mind. Your soulmate may differ from your usual types and expectations. Very interesting, because we also have, I'm not sure I can meet your expectations. So keep an open mind, friends. Give this person some benefit of doubt, maybe, or another chance or something. Chemistry, there is a strong magnetic attraction here, friends. Oh my god, this is the person you are absolutely supposed to grow old with. This is beautiful, friends. Do let me know, do you enjoyed this reading, and does this resonate? Do you like these cards and messages, friends? I need your support. Do share and like and subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, friends. That is how I know you enjoyed this reading. And join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot, friends. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvanstarot.com. And friends, you can also you can join us on Instagram, friends. And this is Mystic C saying bye for now. Hi friends, if you chose option number 3, let's see how your person is feeling, what's happening with them. If you chose this beautiful red flower, we'll see their love messages which you requested, friends, my own love messages from your person and channeled messages. This is your romance angels messages, and I'll be pulling more cards also, don't worry about it. Let's see your cards. King of Rods, interesting. The Eight of Pentacles, the Knight of Pentacles, and ooh, the Death, and the Two of Pentacles. Wow, very interesting, friends. Very, very interesting. I feel you could be dealing with an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Or you, our viewers, could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I also feel you could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or our viewers could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. I feel currently something has happened in this connection. I don't think so. This person and you, like maybe I feel like there is a lot of distance between you and this person because your backs are also turned towards each other. I think you do not see eye to eye with this person, or you do not agree with this person, or there has been an ending in this connection of some sort. Maybe there is like this distance, this ending, this pause in this connection right now, or it happened in the past. Some ending, some distance, some pause happened. I feel this person lives in a different country or a different city than yours. This person lives near water. Or I feel this person could be in army or something, or a force, like police, army, navy, something, or they just travel a lot. I feel this person lives near water, or you live near water. I feel your person is quite ambitious, and they are very attractive. You are also very attractive. They are also, both are very attractive, very ambitious. You both are very hardworking people. I feel your person is currently working a lot. They are working on their career or to build a strong financial background or strong finances. They are working on something, they want to build something. I don't know what it is. It feels like money. It could also be this relationship. I also feel your person really wants to work on this connection, but currently they haven't yet decided, like they haven't made a move towards you because they are in double minds. I feel your person could be doing a lot of traveling, or they are in double minds. Should they come back, should they not come back? So this person is thinking a lot is going on in their life and in their mind. And if you see their social media, or you may say, like, oh, this person doesn't feel anything, magic. This person doesn't call, doesn't message. How can this be true? I think it's true because you chose this beautiful, deep red passion. This person feels a lot of passion for you. One part of them is trying to come towards you, grab you, and kiss you. The other part of them is like, no, 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 let's do what is, focus on work, focus on, let's not do this, it might be risky, let's not do this. Maybe they will reject them if they come. Maybe you will reject them. And this person is juggling. They are also in double minds about you. One part of them wants to kiss you, they want to bring a new start to you in this connection. They want to make a move towards you, but they are a little scared. I also feel there is an age gap between you both, and a cultural or religious difference. I also feel you both could be same sex relationship or a marriage also. This could be a same sex relationship for some of you. We love everybody, no judgment, friends. Absolutely, we all are divine, and there is nothing wrong about it. Let's see. How this person is feeling currently. File number three's person. How are they feeling currently? See, again, there is a lot going on. The cards, the way they are shuffling, there's a lot going on. Rejection, oh my god. I think this person is scared of being rejected. Also, this person may be working too hard in their career because they feel they will not have enough money. Maybe you rejected this person, or they rejected you, so now they are really scared. I also feel this person could be a student, or they are trying to build more money, so they are scared that they will not be able to achieve it. They are feeling very scared. How is this person? How is file number three's person currently feeling? Recovery. See, I think this person is trying to recover their confidence. This person is also trying to heal. Maybe this person was ill or something, because I see they are working a lot, or maybe they are traveling a lot. So, this person is trying to recover some things. And if they rejected you, they are trying to heal that thing, why they did it, because they do feel a lot of love for you. How is this person feeling? Oh, that's a lot. Angels, please, can you give me one card? How is this person feeling? Wow, see, they are discovering. There is recovery, there is discovery. Wow, that's beautiful. That's a rhyme. Discovery and recovery. So, definitely, this person is trying to work on their heart chakra. They are trying to learn. They are trying to become more aware what connection this is. I think this person, they didn't realize who you were in the past, or they were in double minds even right now. But now they are trying to awake. They are trying to see something which was not available to them earlier. Definitely, this person wants to heal this connection, and they are trying to heal themselves also. So, let's see how they feel about our viewers, how this person feels about our viewers. How this person feels about our viewers' dedicated effort. See, and it's an eight of pentacles. It is an eight of pentacles, friends. Interesting, same cards from two different decks. Yes, friends, this person wants to take, they want to build a connection with you. They want to build a solid foundation with you. This person sees long-term success with you. They see a family with you, or marriage with you, or at least they want to put the effort in this connection, or they feel you have put in a lot of effort in this connection. How this person feels about our viewers. Win or lose, number 5. Yeah, this person wants to take a chance on you. They know they might win you, or you might reject them, so they might lose. But either win or lose, they still want to take a chance on you. They know it might be risky, but yeah. How they feel about our viewers. Okay, find balance, number 2, 2 of wands. This person really feels very attracted towards you. They feel a lot of passion for you. It's like they want to grab you, kiss you, and never let you go. That is how this person feels. And they also feel our viewers are very mature. Maybe you are elder to them, or maybe you are just more mature or stable. So this person is like, wow, they are so stable. Wow, how can they do it? So what does this person want to happen in the future? What they want to happen in the future? Oh my god. I'll take the one which is dropped face up. Rest of the cards went like, oh my god, like this. Serendipity. Wow, this person is waiting for a chance to reconnect with you. Number 18, 19, 20, 11, 11 and 21, 12 are important. They are waiting for a chance to come back into your life, or maybe they are waiting for destiny to do some miracle and bring you both together. Wow, all that glitters is not gold. Definitely, this person wants to, they have realized that money isn't the solution. Money doesn't solve everything. They also need to put in the effort. They also need to tell you how much they love you. So I think this person wants to offer you everything, like a rich date, love, money, home, some steamy passion, love, romance. Yeah. Milk and honey, number 51. This person wants to nurture you, protect you for life. Yes, definitely. It's a good energy. Let's see how what they want to say to you. Let's see what this person wants to say to you. Pile number 3, what this person wants to say to our viewers. Oh my god, how many are they? Okay, there are 3. This person is powerful. Look how the cards are flying. It's like this person is trying to, overpower my hand or something. Look at this again. Wow, your person is quite powerful. Let's see. I don't like you right now. Oh my God. I think they see that you are very successful or you are very busy in your work. You don't need them. They are feeling scared. I'm trying to work things out on my side. See? I told you this person is working on something. They are trying to recover something. Let us talk one more time and make things better. Let's see. Let's talk one more time and make things better. I will find my way back to you, I promise. So, yeah, this person is trying to fix something in their life and they will make things better. They promise you that. I can't tell you how I live without you every day. This person misses you, friends. Absolutely. They are head over heels in love with you. Your eyes, your love, your memories haunt me every day. Oh my god, friends, this person is haunted by you. Absolutely. I'm not the same person you know me as. You have changed this person, friends. Absolutely. This person is going through big changes. That is why the death card is there, the transformation card is there. X, oh my god, sorry friends. X alert. Wow. So I think there might be an X person or maybe an ex past relationship or past hurt affecting them, or maybe it is their family that's affecting them. Blocked throat chakra. Yeah, this person is not able to say a lot right now because that's why they are trying to. You see how many cards have come, because they can't talk right now, they can't communicate. I'm sorry, but I never cheated on you. Wow. You feel this person cheated on you. Your words affect me more than I show. This person surely, absolutely head over heels in love with you. They are trying to recover, friends. There is recovery. They will discover something about this connection that was not available to them earlier. Keep the trust. Let's see your romance angels. Codependency addictions are affecting your romantic life. So, definitely, this person may be feeling stuck in their life, or they may be feeling like they can't change this situation, or maybe they are having like depression, anxiety, or maybe they are just too hard on themselves at the moment. So, yeah, engagement, your love life is ascending to a higher level of commitment. So, absolutely, friends, this person and you are destined to be together, or there is a chance of this connection getting better. Oh my god, true love. This is the romance of a lifetime. So, absolutely, friends, this person and you share a beautiful, deep connection. It is true, this person has not cheated on you. Even if they have, I do not think so. Or maybe they have some other issues going on in their life, but that does not mean that they don't love you. Absolutely, this is true love for both of you. So that's it for now, friends. Do let me know if you enjoyed these messages and this type of a reading. You let me know so I can continue them. You have to tell me in the comments, and do subscribe Magic Vans Tarot. Do like and share, friends, and let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicvenstarot.com, friends, and join us on Instagram as Magic Vans Tarot. This is Mystic C saying bye.